Plus to replace our old iPhone 6S Plus. I've actually never opened an iPhone before. I got it from the T-Mobile store. Nice little packaging. Got your Apple stickers. I don't know why anyone wants to use those. Your actual iPhone. A little tap to pull it out. Good size. I'm filming this on my LG V20. Here's my Galaxy S9 Plus. See the big screen difference there on the Samsung versus the iPhone. But this phone's still physically the same size. Just about. Got a little teeny tiny charger. Hey, look at that. It comes with those little... Are those wireless or wired? Let's see. Yeah, wired earbuds with the lightning cable. That's interesting. Does it not come with the dongle? I thought it was going to come with the dongle. Oh, there's the dongle. Yeah, because this one does not have a headphone jack. So, you'll need to use this dongle. It's tiny. Or you can use these headphones that plug in there. Alright, I don't know if the SIM card is already installed or what. But give it a shot. Let's go ahead and just power this guy up. It's got a sticker on the back here. Peel off. It goes all the way around to the front. And that could be all. It's got the white with the rose gold back. Holding down the power button. Let's see what kind of charge we get. I also got the OtterBox. Alright, I'm gonna let my wife set that up. I got my trusty Jeep knife. My Amazon package. OtterBox commuter case. Nice, easy packaging. Here's that easy packaging, no case, no wasted stuff. Just this little plastic guy. So it's that green looking color. Only thing in the case is just these. In the box is just these guys here. Let's see. I ordered this from Amazon. I ordered most things from Amazon. Let's see. Let's see what it was. Alright. It was an OtterBox Commuter Series. Let's see my order details. It was $39. And it was Ocean Way Aqua Sail Aquafire color. All you do here is put this little rubber down first. And then it should go right into here. Well,
Voiceover on. Setup. Hello.
Alright, took some finagling, but I got it in there. Now we're going to run through the setup. I'll do that off camera. Alright, so yeah, so no headphone jack, so you'd have to plug this little guy in here, which works fine with the Otterbox case. Alright. So what I do for these dongles, so I don't lose them, because one of my Android phones had that. These are the headphones my wife uses, the Bose Sport headphones. I just go ahead and plug this on here and leave it with the headphones, because she doesn't really use headphones other than these for the gym. So I'm just going to leave that on those permanently, and then should never lose that dongle.